Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the door panel with face frame and place it face down on your work surface. Check the hinges to assure they're properly attached. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to all the joint grooves along the top, bottom, center, and sides of the frame. Locate the left and right side panels. Insert the side panels into the joint grooves of the frame with the notched corner of the toe kick facing downward and at the bottom. Align the top, center, and bottom grooves on the side panels with the grooves on the door frame. Gently tap the panels with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Make sure the side panels are properly seated and aligned before securing them with your spot nail gun. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Locate the mid and bottom panels. Slide them into the joint grooves of the side panels and face frame and gently tap with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps. Make sure the panels are properly seated and aligned before securing them to the face frame with your spot nail gun. Locate the back panel. With the frame side facing up, slide the back panel into the joint grooves of the side panels with the pre-drilled holes towards the bottom of the cabinet. Make sure it's properly seated and aligned before securing it to the side panels with your narrow crown gun. Use your drill to install the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes on the top, center, and bottom of the back panel. Locate your toe kick. Set the toe kick in place, making sure it's properly aligned before securing it with your Senko fastener. Set your cabinet box upright. Locate your undermount drawer glides and glide supports. Install the glide supports into the pre-drilled holes on the inside of the back panel with your drill and screws provided. Then install the undermount glides to the supports and attach to the face frame with your drill and screws provided. Set the cabinet box aside while you assemble the rollout trays. Place the tray front face down on your work surface. Install the tray sides by aligning the dovetail joints and using your rubber mallet to tap them in place, assuring they're firmly connected. Slide the tray bottom panel into the grooves of the tray sides and gently tap with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps. Insert the tray back panel by aligning the dovetail joints and assuring the bottom panel is properly seated in the back panel joint groove. Gently tap with your rubber mallet to ensure a tight fit. Make sure all tray panels are properly aligned before tacking them together with your Senko fastener on all four corners. Align the glide locking kit on the bottom of the tray box towards the front and attach them using your drill and screws. Repeat these steps to assemble all rollout trays. Install the rollout trays into the undermount glides with the locking kit towards the front of the cabinet. Insert your shelf pins to the desired height and angle the shelf panels into place. Apply rubber bumpers to the front corners of each door panel. Congratulations on completing your assembly.